nachos, chips, and salsa. That's it. It's almost amazing to think that that's the number of calories that I put in. Salsa and chips. We're not talking necessarily nachos with the cheese and everything, but just straight up salsa and chips. I love these. I gotta tell you, this is the type of stuff I like to have when I watch movies. So my wife and I watch movies. I do like a little salsa and chips. It's delicious. I'm sure lots of people out there are like that too. Look, and I'm not a guy, I don't put a whole bunch of, cheese on it and everything else. Not looking to make nachos necessarily. I like nachos. Let's be honest, I like my nachos. But just nacho chips and salsa is delicious. I like it. I like it a lot. But how healthy is it? Well, probably not that healthy. I'm guessing probably pretty unhealthy. Now, salsa by itself, not real bad for you. It's like a teaspoon, or a tablespoon rather, of salsa is like 20 calories. Not much, right? But let's get into the real deal here on the nacho chip side of things, because that's where things are less healthy. All right. So nacho chips, as we can see, this is just average nacho chips. In 14 chips, 260 calories. 260. Now let's be clear. I'm still probably going to eat nacho chips from time to time. I'm not saying you can't eat nacho chips. I'm not trying to shame anybody out there. Yes, if you want to have some nacho chips, have some nacho chips. It's cool. What I'm trying to try to show you right now is, though, how many calories are in them and what you have to do to work all those off. So 260 calories in 14 chips. Okay, I'm not going to just eat 14 chips. I'm going to double that. So I'm going to have 28 chips, and I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of salsa. It's probably more, but when we add all that up, we're talking 560 calories. 560. That's a lot. You know what? I'm going to show you just how hard it is to burn off 560 calories of nacho chips and salsa right about now. So here I am in the gym. Like I said, burning off 590 calories is a lot. And the thing about it is, I don't think the nacho chips, no one is eating 14. You know what I mean? You're not eating what they say on the side of it, because you know what, they want to depress the numbers as much as they can. So they put on 14 chips. Listen, you probably eat more than 28, but I'm going to claim that I ate 28 because I think that 28 seems at least slightly, moderately reasonable. So say I had 28 chips, I had salsa with that. We've got 590 calories. That's a ton of calories to burn off. It's going to take some time. So I am going to hop on the bike. My trusty bike is right here behind me. I'm going to hop on that and see how many calories I can burn off, and really how long it's going to take me to burn off those 590 calories from just having some nacho chips with salsa, no cheese, just nacho chips and salsa while I'm watching a movie last night with my wife. Okay, we are 22 minutes in and just about halfway through. There we go. Should click over. So we are halfway through. What I need to do, get rid of those crackers, nacho chips and salsa. Let's be honest, we all like nachos. And nacho chips, watching a movie last night with my wife, doesn't seem like a big deal, right? Just have some, but listen, in the day, I eat more than I'm probably burning off today. Because nachos feel good, right? You're just eating them, you're enjoying them. I've been 20-some minutes in, 22 minutes in. Now, just to get halfway through what I ate last night, it's gonna take some time. Probably looking at well over 40 minutes just for a little snack while I'm watching a movie. That's a lot. As you can see, I am damn sweaty right now. I'm putting in a lot of work here, guys. It's amazing how much time and effort it takes just to get rid of something as dumb as nachos and salsa, not even any cheese. Okay, we are 43 and a half minutes in roughly. 560 calories, kids. 43 minutes to burn off. I am winded. I was tired. Look how sweaty I am. There's a little bit of my shirt that isn't soaked. To burn out nacho, chips, and salsa from the movie last night. And again, like I said, I'm not using cheese and guacamole, didn't put anything else on it. It was just nachos, chips, and salsa. That's it. It's almost amazing to think that that's the number of calories that I put in, and then I had to spend 43 plus minutes biking hard, sweating my butt off just to get it out. Whew, I'll get back to zero. Because let's be honest, we're just trying to get back to zero here. Now look, I've had some people message me and they're like, Devin, you're trying to shame people. I'm not trying to shame anybody. This isn't about shaming people. This is about knowledge. Knowledge is power, kids. You want to know what the hell you're putting in your mouth? Nowadays, we eat a lot of stuff that is action-packed with calories. Just jammed, action-packed. And the question is, how much weight do you want to gain? How fit do you want to be? That really is what it comes down to. It's not about, hey, I'm trying to shame you into doing something. Just know what the hell you're putting in your mouth. And then you can make better decisions. Look, there are better decisions than nachos, nacho chips rather, and salsa at night. You have to pick one. Pick something better. Don't have something that is gonna jam you full of calories for the next day and make you spend 43 minutes just to get back to zero. That's it. Just getting back to zero. It's hard to believe. See if comments, questions, things you want me to talk about, write them up down below. Or if there's something that you think, hey Devin, why don't you see how many calories are in this and burn it off? I'm game to do that too, kids. Have yourself an amazing day. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Knowledge is power, guys. Devin out. Don't fight the awesome.